In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly into your email, a full guide for 2025. Whether you're a business professional looking to streamline your scheduling process or just someone who values efficiency, this guide is for you. Let's begin by heading over to Calendly's official website. You can do this by opening your browser and typing in Calendly's URL or simply searching for it. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to locate the login button. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click it to proceed. Now you'll see a few options for logging in. If you've got your Google account already set up with Calendly, I recommend choosing the Continue with Google option. It's a straightforward and secure way to access your account without the need to remember yet another password. Once you've clicked Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you want to use. If your Google credentials are synced, this step should be quick. Simply click on the relevant account listed to continue. Make sure it's an account you actively use for your scheduling activities, as this will streamline the process later on. With these steps completed, you should find yourself on your Calendly dashboard. Here, look for the section labeled Integrations and Apps. This is where we start linking Calendly with other tools, such as email applications. As you click on this section, a search bar will appear. In the search bar, type Highlight to filter the options available. What you'll need to do here is find the Gmail for Workflows option. This is crucial because we want Calendly to integrate directly into your email workflow, thereby making scheduling seamless. Once you've identified Gmail for Workflows, go ahead and click on it. After that, you'll have the option to connect Gmail to Calendly. Make sure you click on Connect Gmail. This step may again ask you to choose the Google account you identified earlier. After connecting, you might see a series of confirmations that require your approval to let Calendly access your Gmail account. Be sure to click Continue, Highlight, or whichever option appears to move through these prompts until the integration process is complete. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Calendly with your Gmail, allowing you to easily embed scheduling links directly into your emails. This setup simplifies coordinating meetings and appointments, letting you focus more on what truly matters. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.